Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So we have to stick to this one and we can enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. And as you can see on the second position we've got the self timer, so this is the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it, and here we've got, let's say, 4 different options from which we can choose, because we can set to 5 or 10 seconds delay or keep the timer turned off. So obviously right now it is turned off, so let's set, for example, 10 seconds. All you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use, and as you can see, after getting back we've got it is notified that it is set for 10 seconds, so we can go back to the camera. What's more, it is notified right here also. We can check for how long we've got the timer. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. It will also notify with this characteristic sound. So let's check another option. Let's check if we can tap on this 10 seconds. Unfortunately not. So let's enter the settings. Can we please? Okay, finally. So let's change the self timer to, for example, 2 seconds, because obviously it will work the same, just it will count down from 2 seconds, and the same situation will be with 5 seconds delay. So now let's turn it off completely. Let's enter the settings again and tap on off option. And as you can see, it is notified right here anymore. What's more, the device will take photos right after touching the shutter button without any countdown. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.